Welcome to the world of Xypex, where we provide the world's most recognized and trusted brand of crystalline technology for the waterproofing, protection, and repair of concrete structures. Xypex Patch'n Plug is a fast-setting, hydraulic cement-based mortar that is commonly used to rapidly and easily repair actively leaking concrete defects, even against high water pressures and flows. Patch'n Plug's sealing capabilities are enhanced with Xypex's unique crystalline chemistry, preventing costly and inconvenient callbacks. The Xypex crystalline technology creates a permanent repair that self-heals in the presence of water. Xypex Patch'n Plug is suitable for potable water applications and is commonly used to repair water-holding structures such as reservoirs, clear wells, and swimming pools. It is also commonly used for permanent negative side repairs of leaking elevator pits, foundations, utility infrastructure, or other buried structures. Xypex Patch'n Plug comes as a dry powder and is available in various sizes and packaging. The yield of the product is approximately 0.09 cubic feet of mortar per 10 pounds or 5.7 liters per 10 kilograms of dry powder. Xypex Patch'n Plug powder is mixed 3 to 3.5 parts powder to 1 part clean water to produce a stiff, putty consistency mortar. In normal conditions, Patch'n Plug will set within minutes. To use Xypex Patch'n Plug to stop active water leaks in concrete, the area around the leak should be chipped or cut open to approximately 1 inch or 25 millimeters wide by 1.5 inches or 37 millimeters deep, although slightly differing widths and depths have also been shown to be effective. Starting at each end of the slot, fill the bottom half of the slot with Xypex Patch'n Plug and work toward the highest water flow. Consolidate the mortar into the bottom of the slot, completely stopping all leakage. Xypex Patch'n Plug can be used as a full-depth repair material, but in full-depth repairs with no active water flow, Xypex recommends Patch'n Plug be combined with Xypex concentrate to provide greater crack healing in the area of the repair. The top half of the slot is then coated with a Xypex concentrate slurry and filled with either Xypex concentrate in dry pack form or a mortar blend of Xypex Patch'n Plug and Xypex concentrate. Repairs are then normally overcoated with a single coat of Xypex concentrate mixed into a slurry form. Further information videos and documentation on how to use Xypex products to repair common concrete defects can be found at xypex.com. Xypex Patch'n Plug powder may also be mixed with Xypex concentrate powder at various ratios to lengthen the working time of the mortar. Blending Xypex Patch'n Plug with Xypex concentrate also increases the crystalline waterproofing performance of the mortar. Note that this mortar should not be used to stop active water flows, but is normally used in place of Xypex concentrate in dry pack form. Xypex Patch'n Plug is also commonly used to make rapid repairs to non-leaking concrete defects such as areas of concrete honeycomb less than approximately 6 inches or 150 millimeters. Xypex Patch'n Plug can achieve 25 megapascals or 3,500 psi compressive strength at 28 days. For larger repairs or structural repairs, Xypex recommends the use of Xypex Megamix 2 structural repair mortar. Hot conditions will normally accelerate the setting of Patch'n Plug, and below normal temperatures will normally delay its set. Storage of Patch'n Plug in controlled temperatures and use of heated or cooled water can help to moderate Patch'n Plug's setting. Xypex Patch'n Plug is one of the most widely used water plugging mortars in the world. Its inherent crystalline waterproofing technology make it one of the easiest and most successful methods for stopping active water leaks in concrete elements. To find out more about Patch'n Plug and other Xypex products, visit xypex.com.